What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. So today's video is going to be an Ipsy unboxing, unbagging for the month of November? No. I cannot believe this year is almost over. I know like everyone says this, but like seriously, where the hell has time gone? I was filling out some paperwork the other day for a new job and age. So I write 33 and I'm like, wait, am I 33? I'm like, I swear I was just 32. Like I had to think about it for a second. I was like, damn, I am 33. Like I was just 32. I don't know where time has gone, but that's besides the point. Alright, so this is for November 2018. If you would like to see what I got in this month's Ipsy, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload an awesome ass video. Just kidding. Alright guys, well let's get into the unbagging. I'm so excited because Ipsy, their bags have been on point recently. That might have something to do with the fact that I like went in and have been kind of choosing my products, but I mean I have good taste. So here is what the November bag looks like. It's like a purple pleather with black hearts. It's cute, you know, nothing too special, but it's cute. So let's see what we got. So the first product I pick up is this Nomad Illuminated Highlighting Powder. In Midnight Sun or Stockholm? I don't know. Let me open it. Just look. How am I gonna get a brush in here? So here is what it looks like. This is super tiny. It's a very nice texture, nice and creamy. So it looks kind of like a very pale gold, maybe champagne. Okay, I mean, I'm always down to try a new highlighter. Alright, I ain't mad at you. I'm mad at your size a little bit, but alright, moving on. Oh! Alright, sorry guys, okay. The next product is this MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance in Radiant Yellow. Let's see what she looks like. So I just put a little bit. It's like a pale yellow cream. Oh, I love this product. It is so smooth. It legit feels like silk. And what I love, oh my gosh, this is so hydrating. This is what I love about this one, because a lot of like illuminating primers can be very drying, and I'm super dry. So this, I love this product. I love the strobe cream too. I'm so excited I got this. Alright. Woo! Damn! I am... Alright, Ipsy, I see you. So the next product is this Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I love Ciate London. I love, their bronzer is everything. Their bamboo bronzer. They actually have really good products. I like everything that I have tried. Well, there was a mascara I didn't like from them, but besides that, but what is with these tiny packages? Like, I'm a big girl. My finger barely fits in this. Oh, that sounded horrible. I don't know what else I was going to show you. It's a translucent powder. So that is awesome. I'm really excited to try it if I find a way to get it out of there. I'm so hard to please, aren't I? All right, the next product. Ooh, I love some brushes. It is this bean gachis. That is probably not correct. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but it says it is an eye shader on the side, and here is what it looks like. This would be really good to put shadow on your lower lash line or something very precise like on the lid. Love me some brushes. Thank you, Ipsy. And the last but not least item is this Sandin Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. Detoxify and Brighten. Alright. This brand sounds familiar. I want to say I've tried something from theirs before, but I don't remember what it was. So many masks, but so it looks like a clay mask. This kind of reminds me of the like Origins, what's the name of it, but it's very similar. It's like a pink clay mask. So all right, this for $10, you guys. This bag was freaking dope. Like, oh yes please, the brush. So, oh my gosh, can't even tell you how excited I am for this. And I'm really excited to try this. For $10, I mean, I cannot complain. This was an awesome bag. Let me know what you guys think of my Ipsy down in the comments below. And if you do get Ipsy, what was your favorite product out of the November bag? I would like to know what you guys got. So, all right, not bad, not bad. Well, if you guys did like this video, super short, super sweet, then let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.